Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm bringing you what's inside my Chanel 22 bag. Also known as my summer bag. I did the unboxing, what was it, like a week and a half ago or something like that, but I had it for a little longer than that. Let me tell you that is so far holding up well. I heard all the things that they are saying about the bag. So far, so good. But definitely let me know if you want me to give you a full-on review on the bag, if you're still planning to get it, because the Chanel 22 bag, it's here, what it seems like to be another classic bag for Chanel in terms of like it's going to be replacing the Gabrielle bag. The Gabrielle bag was one of the 5 classic bags from Chanel, but they push it for long and it seems like people were not really, attached to it. So they are trying to make this another classic bag, which I really love. I love the style. I love that it's a little bit different for Chanel, right? But yeah, let me know if you want to hear a full-on review. But today you came for what's inside my bag, right? What I carry inside my bag. This is my summer bag. Usually I tend to buy a bag for summer, not all the time. I don't want to say every year because no, that wasn't the case. Many years ago, that wasn't the case. But in the few last years, I tried to get a bag for summertime, something that I just love, and I have been loving this baby. She's just so beautiful. I don't want my makeup to get into it because it's white, but I love white. I think white is classic. It's pretty and it's so summer, yet, I mean, I can wear it all year round, with the right clothing, and yeah. I love my bag, but let me show you what I got here inside my bag. So you open it up like this. There's no zipper. I haven't got yet a organizer for it. I'm planning to get a Samorga one, but they take about 2 to 4 weeks because they are custom made. So that's the plan right there. So the first thing that is my water, almost gone. Yeah, this is my Chanel water bottle. They don't make it anymore. It was a limited edition celebrating the 100-year anniversary of the number 5 fragrance from Chanel, and I was able to get my hands on it, and this thing went crazy. Like, I remember on eBay, other sites, they were selling it for over $1,000 for just a bottle of water. Come on. Give me a break. Hopefully they bring it back. I use it quite a bit, and it's small enough that it actually, gets inside my bag, because I do have a couple other bottles of water, but they are bigger and they don't fit in here. This one fits just perfectly fine. And then I also carry my AVEENO sunscreen. This is an all-day hydration with prebiotic oat, and it has an SPF of 60. So I use these for myself, for my kids, for my shoulders, décolleté, arms, when I'm driving, all the way to my hands, reapply on my neck, the back. This is the one that I use like on the go. I do have even one on a pump inside my car. And by the way, whatever products that I'm able to get a link for, everything will be on the description box below. The links, again, they will be there. My makeup, all of that will be on the description box below. So that is my sunscreen of choice, because let me show you. It comes out kind of whitish in tone, but it's very moisturizing. It does give you, yes, all day hydration, but look, it just melts into nothing, and it doesn't give me any allergies. I don't break out from it. It's easy to apply. It's really good. I have been enjoying it so much, and it's also sweat and water resistant for up to 80 minutes. Obviously, you need to reapply it, but it's a sunscreen that I have it in all sorts of sizes. Is such a good sunscreen. And then hand sanitizer. This is by Sol de Janeiro, the hand sanitizer. Really nice. It has that beautiful bun kind of scent, but it's a beautiful scent that my friends, that I love. So this is the hand sanitizer that I usually tend to put always in any of my bags. I just trade it. I'm getting a little bit low on it, so I really need to get a backup for it. And then my sunglasses. These are the sunglasses that I wear all the time. They are polarized by Prada. And these are my sunglasses that I take them to the beach, to everywhere. I love them. They are nice, size, big. They also kind of cover to the side, which I find out that is ideal for me because that way I don't, get too much sun from this side right here. I love these Prada glasses. They are really nice. And again, one of the things that I love with sunglasses, and to me that they are ideal, is that they are polarized. And these are out of all my sunglasses, these are my favorite ones. I have some Dolce Gabbana, different brands. These Prada ones in specific are my favorite ones, and they are the ones that I know they are designer and you are supposed to, be careful with them, but I use them at work. You know that I am a caterer. I work in events and weddings, and I can put it up here. Sometimes they have drop, and they don't bother. They don't bother me here either. They are great sunglasses. To me, an amazing, amazing investment. Then this little pouch right here that it actually comes with the bag. You can detach it. There's a little lock right here. But here I'm not carrying a lot, but just my driver license, a few cards. I mean, nothing that it will be of interest of yours, honestly. I mean, not that you want to see my driver license, right? And then usually my keys, I just put it inside this bag right here, and that's all. So not much, and if there's any cash, I will put it there. And then I have two other little bags. This bag, I got it from Dior. It was something like, it was a gift with purchase, and I really love the size of it, how well constructed it is. They don't sell it, it's one of those gift with purchases, but I like also that it's very nice and sturdy, and I love pink. So here I just have some of my essentials. I do have my TATCHA the silk sunscreen. I usually throw it in here when I'm going out. I'm not wearing makeup at all. I just put it in, and this is the sunscreen that it goes on my face. So this one right here, the AVEENO one, is for my body. This, not that this one you cannot use it on your face. You can use it on your face. I use it on my children too, and it's completely fine. But I got used to using the TATCHA one for my face. And if it's not that one, I usually trade it for the one from Chantecaille. But this one is nice and slim. The only thing that I don't like is that all the paint starts rubbing off, so it takes away from the beauty of it, but it's a beautiful sunscreen nonetheless, and beautiful under makeup too. And inside this little baggie, there's also my hand cream from Chanel. This is typical. It smells super good, super easy. It keeps my hands nice and moisturized. I love it. It's something that I have repurchased so many times. And then I also have hand soap, but in this format. This I got it actually from Amazon. By the way, I do have an Amazon storefront. If you're curious, I will be leaving it on the description box below with a link. But this is a hand soap that you open it up like this. Really cute. It looks like a little cat. I mean, I wish it didn't have anything on the front, but regardless, they're just little sheets like this that this is your hand soap. You just need water, rub it, foam it, and then you have a hand soap on that go. I find to be very practical, mostly if you have children, and I mean for personal use. Most of the restrooms that I have gone to, they have some hand soap, but at times you find yourself, I don't know, at a gas station, and maybe they run out of it, and you really need one. There you have it. And I really like that I'm not going to go with the trouble of like it's going to spill, making a mess and whatnot. I mean, I know I have other liquids in my bag. That's okay with me. That's the way I am. But this will save you on a pinch if you need a hand soap. And then the last, oh no, there's a couple other things right here. I have tweezers right here. These are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I just have them because if I get any kind of like a splinters or something from my kids, because I don't take my brow hairs at all. Yeah, I don't, because I just get a huge rash, and it's something that no, I don't do it. But these for me is a lifesaver. If you have kids, those splinters, they go around, they play, no shoes and whatnot, a splinter gets on you, and then yeah, this is something that I always carry in every purse. I have a bag in my car. I always have it there too, because the experience is not gratifying when one of your kids or yourself, you have a splinter. And then I always carry a little fragrance in a travel size, and this is my fragrance of summertime. Is Tom Ford SOLEIL BLANC. I just love it. This is fresh, sea salt. This is not your sunscreen lotion. This fragrance to me is more like, okay, if you're gonna go in a yacht, you have to have Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. This is that fragrance that yells luxury in summertime. That's what it is. My favorite fragrance, perhaps of all times. This is a fragrance that I will never live without it. I have them in all different sizes, and I do have a couple of these travel size. I always carry it with me during summertime. This is the fragrance that goes with me everywhere. Yeah. Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Also, I always carry some sort of like clip or like hair tie for my hair. This is the clip that I have been using lately. It's super large, big. It comes in like a pack of like 6, I think so, or 4, something like that. Love them. So nice, and it just can hold all my hair because I have a very, very long hair. And like I said, if I'm not putting a clip inside my bag, is one of my silk hair ties that I love. And then the last thing is this other little baggie from Chanel. This one right here also this was a gift actually from my essay. Part of a gift with other stuff. I'm pretty sure it was that or something else. I don't remember. But what I carry right here, it is my powder. And this one, the one that I have been loving so much lately, is the one from WESTMAN ATELIER. And I take on the go the one in creme. And here on this same bag, I just put this little sponge. This one is from the brand FLORASIS. And then I just press wherever I get a little bit of those oils coming through, you know, and just retouch. It has a nice size mirror. It's perfect. It's almost undetectable. And I really love this little sponge from FLORASIS too. It came with one of their powders, but it's thin, small. It pressed really well the powder. I absolutely love it. And then the last thing right here, it is my lip balm. It's a Rouge Coco Balm by Chanel in the shade Natural Charm. This is the baby that I take on the go, and the one that pretty much I use the very, very most. It's just so wearable. The shade is just so pretty, and it's just such a good one. I don't know why in the world I didn't put it on my favorites of 2022. I completely miss out on putting these balms right here. If you're looking for really nice, beautiful, nourishing balms that they just give you a little bit of hint of a color, these balms by Chanel, they are incredible. So there you have it, my friends. This is all what I got on my Chanel number 22 bag. Let me just put everything in. I know everything is not gonna go just as perfect, but let's just put everything so you can see that everything fits nice and perfect. I don't know what's going on with my voice, but anyhow, friends, there you have it. So this is what I carry on my Chanel 22 bag. There you have it. These are my things for summertime, and these are kind of like my essentials per se. Oh, and I forgot, I usually put inside my summer hat. I will be putting an image right here on my summer hat, and I will put it on the description box below too. It is right now in my cart, but usually it goes here. It's one that I just wrap and fold like, yeah, I'm like doing like this. Yeah, you can wrap it, and it's kind of like a straw hat, and it's just so easy, very bendable, and when you untie it, it just gives you a beautiful brim. So usually that goes on this bag right here, but again, it's in my car. Let me know what you usually carry on your bag. What are the things that you find always throwing inside your bag? Let's just continue the conversation on the comment section down below while you're at it. And if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with family and friends. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye!